So this is the gorgeous sun-filled laundry room, almost done. We are waiting for the appliances to come and be installed. But this laundry room is as big as some small kitchens. And you can see we have a beautiful little storage closet here. This is just going to be for, mops and cleaning supplies and some of the tall things. We've got a gorgeous, just simple, crisp, white quartz countertop. We have rollouts for storage. Got lots of drawers. We've got a double trash for lint and all the other whatnots. Nice deep sink. Windows to the front. This overlooks the driveway. And then this window overlooks the side yard and our little porta potty that hasn't gotten pulled yet. And then we've got the washer and dryer here. Now this little gizmo right here is going to allow us to push the dryer back really flush to the wall. It's really easy for designers to forget to deal with the thickness of the duct, the exhaust duct for the dryer, that flexible foil looking pipe that you see. And this little jobber right here helps us recess that into the wall a little bit. You need to check with the manufacturer and make sure you know exactly where that exhaust duct is coming out from in the back of the dryer. Some of these might be higher up on the wall and not so close to the floor like this one is. But what this does give you is that extra space between the studs to sort of tuck that back in so that you don't have that big gap between the back of the dryer and the wall, and it's not sticking out so far into the room. Here is the power for our dryer and the shutoffs for our washing machine, the drain for the washing machine, and then the outlet. And this little contraption right here actually belonged to the homeowners. It was in another room. We just moved it in here. So this is a built-in ironing center. It will flip down and it will pivot right here. So it will flip down and then you can turn it left and right. There's a plug, so you can plug in your iron. There's a little stainless steel protected corner here where the iron sits when you're not using it. You can put it away hot. This little thing right here holds it down so it doesn't fall or tip when you close the door. There is a timer, so if you're worried about walking away from it and forgetting it, you can set the timer. And what we've done here is asked our cabinet maker, Mulwoods, to make a door that matches the rest of the doors in the laundry room. And it gives us a really nice look. Now, sometimes you also see these maybe with a full-length mirror, especially handy in a closet. And really all that's required for this particular model is that you pre-run the electricity, since it's got a built-in outlet. And you can see that the tile goes up the wall here, and it's finished with a Rondex Schluter trim. This little spot right here on the floor, you can see the washer dryer is going to go over here. This little spot right here is for the dog's dishes. They got a rather sizable dog, and his bowl and food dish are going to go here, and then also the food is going to go in the closet right behind us. So as you know, dogs can be sometimes a little messy when they eat, so this extra high sort of backsplash along the floor is going to give us some nice protection for the wall. And then I just wanted to give you a close-up of this floor. It is really, really beautiful. I hope the phone is picking it up. It's got some really nice warm beiges and taupes, just a little bit of white, and some soft gray and beige. It's going to be a really flexible floor for redecorating later if they ever want to paint or do something different in here. But it's also going to be very forgiving of foot traffic. I just think this is one of the cutest laundry rooms. Really happy with how this one turned out.